Hey, what's up, traders? Watch this video here for Wednesday, November 16th. The SPY gapped up today. Let's look at the intraday real quick. Let me get extended hours off here real quick. I was not prepared for this video. So we gapped up, and then we had this kind of, I don't know if this was that missile exploding in Poland or something. And then other people are talking about it was just debris. That was something from shot down. I don't know. But this kind of shocked the market, and there were not a lot of setups this afternoon, probably because of this. So it was a really, really dead day. But I do want to give a hat tip. Some really nice posts in chat. Lewis from chat gave the second mouse through 60 on SE, which triggered right there. And if you use the 8 EMA as your as your stop, you had a pretty nice run all the way up to 65, I think. It was a neat heads up. Miguel gave Taiwan Semiconductor back here, right here through 82, and it went pretty quickly, maybe 10 minutes or so, almost a buck, went 90 something cents. And probably the call of the day was John M.E. gave PDSB back over the early high. There's the early high right there. Topped out at 741, so 742 was his idea. And it pointed out that yesterday's high was 745. So you have a catalyst just a few pennies above. Look what happens when it breaks 741 pretty quickly to 824. That's a really nice post there. It ended up going higher, but not before coming back to the entry. It did close really strong. It will be on watch tomorrow. But anyway, there's some highlights from today. What are we watching for tomorrow? I'm going to watch Walmart, WMT. Kind of broke out today, but closed well off of its highs. TBLT, quiet inside day today, but let me zoom in a little more. But it did have the big gap down, so now that kind of creates a lot of bag holders. So I don't love it, but anyway you slice it, you did have a big rip. Quiet inside day, looking for a third day play there on TBLT. EBIX, let me pan back out now. I like to look, at like 6 months worth. Had the big pop back here, gave a lot of it back, and now it's starting to curl back up. So I'm putting that on watch. PDSB, I already mentioned John M.E.'s idea in that today. With that strong close, we're going to keep that on watch for several days. Remember, I'm a day trader. These are things that may give me a setup tomorrow. I'm in cash every night. TWOU had a pop back here. Looked like it was rolling over, and it's right back up near the highs from probably earnings day, if I'm not mistaken, back here. So that one goes on long watch. SE. Big breakout today. I already talked about that. Lewis's idea back through 60. Pretty strong close, relatively speaking. Big volume today. We're going to watch that one tomorrow. DOCS. Big rip on earnings. Quiet inside day. And really another inside day. I'm putting this on long watch for tomorrow. NVTA. Had a nice kind of 2-day run here that topped out at 377. Quiet inside day. And then today hit 368. So you're kind of flagging after a run. So that one goes on long watch. GTLS goes back on bounce watch again. Another ugly red day. I can't get past the fact that a little over a week ago this was 240 bucks. Now it's at 126. I wouldn't mind to see a sell-off down here to the 110 area tomorrow, and then I'd be looking for a reversal down there. But anyway, it just stays on bounce watch. And then lastly, D is Dominion. I'll show you the intraday because it was on bounce watch today. Rallied right out of the gate, so I never caught a trade in it. And put in its high early, and then what? Rest of the day straight sideways, right? So I'm just going to keep it on bounce watch. I still think it's oversold. Not a great, exciting list. And I often say a lot of times we need new stocks to kind of lead, right? To show themselves to be strong, and then they end up on our watch list. So I don't have anything I'm in love with, but that doesn't matter because we'll find some gappers. We'll find something to trade. And hopefully a few new leaders will emerge that we can get some trades out of as well. All right. So I'll see everybody in the chat room in the morning. Have a great night.